In this video, you will learn how to remove a follower from your Instagram account. So, hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to remove a follower from your Instagram account, you just have to open your Instagram. I have opened my Instagram. Now I have to go to my profile and you have to go to your followers section, which is mentioned on the main screen. And now I can click on the remove icon and that follower will be removed from my profile. So it is as simple as I have shown you. So this is the simple way you can remove someone from your follower section. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask in the comment section below. We will try to solve that also, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.